I'm William Nozak, and I'm going to show you our production studio located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We built this studio for online course creators, business owners, marketers, professionals, and anyone else that needs a preset studio to make their content. Right now, I'm sitting in our office set. Take a look. These are all things that make sense to our shoot. We can change them out for you. I'm also sitting in one of our podcast stations. Hello, welcome to the Joe Rogan Show. Come on, let's take a look at some more sets. Right in front of me is our green screen. Our director of photography is setting it up for a client that might need something different than, say, the sets that we have set up. So you can put logos, text overlays, or even change out the set on a green screen. Over here, we have a set where we can do branding, messaging, value proposition, or even an interview. So how has your time as the COO of Nozak Consulting been?
You know, I've actually been wanting to talk.
Okay then. And now I'm in the front of the studio where I'm going to show you what it looks like sitting down at a table where you can do content, advertising, have a conversation.
Dude, that was my best take.
Really? On this side of the studio, we have a living room set, a great place to do value proposition, brand messaging, have a conversation, or read from a teleprompter. I'm reading from a teleprompter to show you how easy it is to read from a teleprompter. Exit to the right. And over here is our conference table, where you can do conference room looking things. This is where you can meet with a team or have a conversation. It's also where my team's going to meet with yours, develop a plan that matches up against your goals and your budget.
Hey, well, I've got you for a second. Can we continue?
And over here is my office, and I'll take that belt. Back here is where we do video, audio, web development, advertising, strategizing, anything else that your company might need. So, if you're looking for a digital marketing company with a production studio, visit us at nozakconsulting.com.